If you're tired of doing the same old boring workouts and you just want to find a way to mix things up and get a little bit more creative, then this is for you. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel, and I know that you're going to absolutely love today's workout. This is going to be some really creative moves that are going to just make you enjoy working out again. You know, workouts should not be a way that we punish our body, but really a way that we honor and show love to our body, and most importantly, that we have a lot of fun. And that's what this workout will do. This is a little snippet of a workout that you can find the full length exclusively inside of my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. I'll leave it linked here and also down in the description box. We would love to have you join us inside of TBT. Now, for today's workout, you will need a Pilates magic circle. I love working with these. I will leave one of my favorite ones linked down below. You can get them on Amazon. They're under $20 generally, but they're such a great way to add a little bit of creativity, add a little bit of extra challenge to your workout, and like I said, have a lot of fun. So without further ado, let's do it, and I'll see you on the other side.
Next up, we are going to go into an ankle squeeze. All right, so I want you to bring the ring in between your ankles. It's right above the actual ankle bones here, okay? It wouldn't feel good on your bones, so you wouldn't make that mistake. So you're gonna inhale here, and then exhale and give it a little squeeze. And in and squeeze, okay? You don't wanna go into supination into your feet, so like doing this kind of thing with your ankles. My feet are still planted firmly. I'm just activating the inner thighs, trying to create extra length here, okay? She's 5'4". She's 5'5". She's 5'6". Just kidding, she's still 5'2". But I feel like I am supermodel height here. I'm really long and lean. Okay, 2 more. Squeeze, last one. Okay, good. So gently shift onto one side, kind of like what you did. Keep that length and just squeeze and squeeze. And 3, good. 4, 5, pull in, 6, 7. We're working our balance so much here. Good, do it again and squeeze and squeeze. Full body work here. I feel my core working so much, and you should too. 7, good, that's it. 8, 9, excellent. Kind of hobble over to the other side, shift that weight, all right? Try to, find that length in your spine, don't fall over like me, and squeeze it, pull it in. 3, all balance comes from your core. 5, 7, 8, 9, let's do that again. We squeeze, and 2, good. 3, 4, hello inner thighs. 5, 6, this will be the gift that keeps on giving. 9, and excellent. Okay, good. Just gently get that out of here. Okay, so next you want to put the ring on one side at about your bra line, okay? Your hand is gonna just hang here. Just a soft bend in your knees here. Inhale and exhale and squeeze. I love this exercise because it really gets into the bra bulge in the serratus here and squeeze. Like if you put your hand here, you're gonna feel, you might not even be aware of that muscle, but that muscle being in this position, it is doing its job. So for those of you that, complain about the muscles around the tank top, right? Having a little extra, it's skin, a little bit of extra fat there, right? We have to have skin, things have to move, but this is a great way to really strengthen in there, okay? And exhale. Good and excellent. Okay, good. So let's add on here. I want you to lunge back, squeeze. So I'm going squeeze with the ring, squeeze, patting the head, rubbing the stomach, right? And down and squeeze, that's it. 5 and squeeze, that's it. And 6 and squeeze, good. If the lunge and the knee lift is too much for you, just stay with both feet on the ground, okay? Down and squeeze, let's do 2 more. It's down, squeeze up, pull in, last one, and squeeze. Oh, mamma mia, that arm is feeling the work. All right, we've got 2 arms, lucky us. So let's do it on the other side. You're gonna keep the chest lifted here. The hand is just hanging, softness in the knees. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. It's so funny how, look, I've been doing this for a million years, and I'm still shocked at just how much this muscle really works here. And squeeze. So that's why I love these magic circles. It's kind of magic how they can really get into some of those areas that are very hard to work, to be quite honest. And again, and squeeze. Let's do 2 more. And squeeze, beautiful. Think of growing taller as you get that squeeze. Okay, good. So let's go into that lunge. You go down and lift it up if you can. If not, you know, maybe, whoops, I slipped a little bit. Maybe you just stop here and that's okay. And back and squeeze. 4 and squeeze, good. And 5, lift it up, good. 6 and up, feel that core getting engaged here. 7, lift up, perfect. 8 and up, let's do 2 more. And up, woo, falling, and last one. And good. Okay, excellent work here. So,
I'm so glad that you came back now. You will not want to miss this right now. So my arm workouts are my most popular workouts here on YouTube. That's exactly why I created my signature program for busy babes like you that want to get amazing arms at any age or at any stage of life. So you'll want to check out Amazing Arms in just 7 days. You literally need just 15 minutes a day. And we've all got 15 minutes, right, to create amazing, sculpted, and that sort of feminine looking arm where it sort of looks like you just naturally have nice arms, but like, you know, not like, oh man, you've really been hitting the gym. If that's the look that you're going for and you want that more, you know, sculpted but like sort of natural look, then this is exactly the program for you. I will leave it linked here and also in the description box below. It's our #1 program for arms and everybody absolutely loves it. And we can't wait to celebrate your success next. So if you want to stick around here on YouTube, check out this video next and I'll see you there.